Good morning, class. I hope you all well. Today, we group number 7 are going to present a presentation on accounting concepts 2. This presentation is about PPE, which stands for property, plant, and equipment. PPE, property, plant, and equipment, are the long term tangible assets that a company owns. They are most often fixed asset PPE, which include trucks, machinery, factories, and lands, allows a company to conduct and grow its business. It is recorded on a company's financial statements, specifically on balance sheet, and it is depreciated over the time and can be sold for its salvage value. When a company purchases PPE, it is known as capital expenditure. In part 1 of our presentation, we will discuss about the reasons which are including each items as a part of cost for property, plant and equipment are in upcoming slides.
The reason why architect fees and legal fees is included in Part A in the cost of property, plant and equipment, as it is a directly attributable cost to bring the asset to its location and condition as intended by the management. It will be capitalized to the cost of asset. The reason why clearing of land is included in Part A in the cost of PPE, as it is a directly attributable cost acquired without which it will be not possible by the management to start the construction. It will be capitalized to the cost of asset.
Direct labor cost. It is directly attributable cost to bring the assets to its location and condition as intended by the management. It will be capitalized to the cost of the assets. And now we'll talk about direct material cost. It is a directly attributable cost the assets to its location and condition as intended by the management. It will be capitalized to the cost of the asset. So the last thing is site preparation. It is directly attributable cost to bring the assets to the location and condition as intended by the management. It will be capitalized to the cost of the assets.
Freehold hand. It is directly attributable cost to bring assets to its location and condition as intended by the management. It will be capitalized to the cost of asset.
There are some of the costs which have impact on Maxwell and Corporation income statement for the year ended March 31, 2020. First is accounting fees, that is $230. Accounting fees is journal overhead cost not directly attributable to the asset. So this will be included in income statement. Second is journal overhead cost, which is $900. It is period cost not related to the construction. It will be applied whether or not there is any activity. It will be expensed in the period in which it is incurred. Total amount which will be included in income statement is $1130. Interest for 2020 onwards will be expensed in the income statement, that is $1800. Total expenditure of $2,930 will be debited to the income statement.
This presentation, which is about PPE, property, plant, and equipment, and some reasons why some certain items are included in PPE, is prepared by group number 7, and group members are Manminder Singh, Sukhdeep Singh Tagore, Raoje, Rupambir Singh Tillon, Veerpal Kaur. Thank you for listening.